So, good morning everyone! Welcome back to our vlog. Ayan. Katatapos lang namin mag-breakfast, tapos nag-prepare na rin kami kasi nga may cooking class kami ngayon. Ayun, tatry namin magluto ng mga Thai food kasi nga sobrang favorite namin ni Baba ang Thai food. Kaya parang nag-enroll ba? O nag-book?
Nag-book.
Ayun, nag-book kami ng cooking class sa Klook din. Via Klook. Ayun. Papakita namin sa inyo later yung mga dish na lulutuin namin or mga ituturo sa amin. Kaya excited ka na ba mag-try magluto?
Yes.
Marunong ka ba magluto talaga?
Hindi. Prito lang.
Dito lang. Hotdog, tsaka noodles.
Oo, yung mga usual.
Ah.
Instant. Yung mga ulam, hindi pa.
So, na-excite ka na ba mag-try magluto ngayon?
Na-excite ako maghiwa. Kung may hiwain man. Kasi marunong ako maghiwa.
Oh, di ba yung kakanood natin ng Culinary Wars? So, ayan, magluluto na si Baba later. Pag uwi namin siya, dali magluluto lagi sa bahay.
Order na rin kayong pad thai after. Tsaka sticky rice.
Sticker rice, saka tom yum.
Tom yum. Tayo din natin tom yum.
Sabi sundo. Hi, good morning. Dito na kami sa bahay.
Sawadee krap everyone. How are you today? Good. Okay, krap. So before we start here, krap, this is a Jordan market. This is a local market one. Krap. You can stay in the shadow. Yes. Sorry. Okay. In here, I'm gonna show you some stuff, some curry pasting and some seasoning that we have to use for cook today. In here, you don't have to buy anything for cooking. We already prepared them for you at school. I'm just gonna take you for a short walk. If you want to do some snack, some drink, yes, we have in the market, but don't get yourself too much food. Okay, you have to cook and eat. Are you ready? Okay, let's follow me this way.
So guys, magmo-market tour muna kami. Papakita na yung mga seasoning, yung mga paste, ganyan.
Today we have a lot of fruit.
Before kami pumunta sa cooking
This
school.
market. So, this one is a fried banana, and they have a sweet potato and some yam things. We have 4 curry for you to choose to making one. We're gonna start with red and green first from here, the northern part of Thailand. If you do khao soy, before we use this one, we're gonna soak them into the water first to let them give more moisture. Who want a point? I give to you 10 points if you guess this one.
Fish sauce.
10 point for you. Yes, thank you. Everyone, this is a fish sauce. A signature smell is very mild if you compare to this one. Today, you can do this one, half this one, and half this one together on your table. But another sugar we use in Thailand, everyone.
That's good.
This is a palm sugar or coconut sugar. It made from a different species of palm tree. This one, everyone, is contain a shrimp, a little shrimp. If you have a shrimp allergic, you can tell your instructor. Okay, everyone, we done here. So I'm gonna let you walk around here about 10 or 15 minutes. So if you wanna do the restroom, we have outside at the car park near the wheat.
Okay. Sawa is buying milk tea. Thai milk tea for the week. Thank you. Gusto ko yung pink pesto. So, ayun guys. After, tapos na kami dito sa market tour.
Okay, so
Mamimili kayo dito kung hot sour or coconut soup.
tofu,
Green curry, red curry, kausay panay curry, pad thai, shrimp, chicken, vegetarian, so,
Okay,
rice.
next
Yan.
curry is blue.
Tapos, ang pinili ko is coconut soup na shrimp. Tapos, kausay na chicken. Pad thai na chicken. And Thai lemon. Then, kay Baba. Tapos, kay Baba is pinili niya is tom yum soup na shrimp. Tapos, red curry na chicken. Pad thai na shrimp. Then, Thai milk tea. Ano? Ako na.
Beautiful. Farmer.
Hi guys, I'm using GoPro. Magpa-farming muna kami. Ito na yung mamimitas kami ng kung anek-anek para sa aming mga lulutuin. Nakaka-excite. May pagganito pa sila para hindi daw kami mainitan.
Parang yung tabing lupa niya, sobrang lawak din.
Ayun, sila gumagawa ng sticker rice para susunod na ang pala sa atin. Pero alam ko bibigay pa rin nila yung ingredients. Para ito.
So we squeeze the lime into the soup, hot and sour soup, coconut soup, pad thai, okay, papaya salad. Yeah. It's small. Actually, is tall. How can we know which one is regular lime and kefir lime? Because the color, the taste, the smell, everything is quite similar. So you just look at the leaf, double leaf, single leaf.
Oh.
Double, single, yeah. On the side, both sides. We use the leaf for making spray, mosquito spray, okay, and the tea is lighter than normal ginger. Normal ginger, the taste is spicy. Curry with the curry with the peanut. You can eat it raw. Just break it like this. That's big. Yeah. Oh. My eyes. Everyone. Normal Thai basil. Here. Over here. There. It's good. Holy basil stir fry with minced pork, with crispy pork. Okay, something like that. And the second one, sweet basil. We use it for the green curry.
Ito yung meron sa atin. Meron din sa atin. Matamis. Sinalagay ko sa pasta.
That's the
Yung spring roll.
coriander. Coriander.
Bang,
Cilantro. Cilantro.
hindi
Okay.
mo naamoy na.
May spring roll?
So this is
Why
Thai
the spring roll?
Thai blue. Okay. Put in the middle of the Okay. If you don't like some of them, skip. You can skip. Just when
Kamusta
they're
sa
all
kayo isa, no?
together, smell quite strong. Next,
Ayun, cherry ano.
got this one.
Cherry eggplant.
Elephant.
Sobrang ano.
Pig spring. Try some. Now. Okay. Over there.
Kailangan magbida-bida tayo dito ba may pa-exam mama.
Handaan mo.
Ano meron ulit yung mga binili ko niya kanina. Lime. This one.
Rice field nila.
We love them so much. We don't kill them. We don't eat them. We just steal. We're gonna have lunch
Lasa mo daw.
next 2 years. Okay? Is your choice. You're gonna have lunch today or next year. Okay? Like that. We're gonna make it louder than them. Okay? Followed by a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. Yes. A pinch of salt, and then you smell it. Good.
So, ito yung paste na ginawa namin. Tapos, ito na yung ingredients for coconut Thai soup. It's coriander. Tapos, mushroom. Shrimp.
We're gonna make
And
soup
prawn.
now. So we have two
Tapos, kay Baba.
hot and sour soup and
Almost same. Shrimp. Tapos, water ba
your
yun?
cup. So if you select hot and sour
Tom yum.
soup,
Kasi ito yung ginawa niyo.
we have only water.
Bye-bye.
Careful.
May kulang sa akin. Tikman mo.
Good, good.
Parang yata yun.
Ayaw nga
Okay,
pala.
so if you're
Isang ano
happy
lang
with
yan.
your sorry. If you're happy with your
Okay lang ba?
soup,
Parang
you
sobra yung
pour it in
lemon
your
niya.
bowl. Okay, pour it in your bowl and then put the bowl on the plate because your bowl is hot. Yeah. Very classy. Very expensive. Yeah. very pricey. Okay, our soup is done. Thank you so much, Kapitán.
Lengkap! Guys, ang gawa ko. Thank you, Baba. Coconut soup.
Pwede mo siya dagdagan ng sugar pag gusto mo.
Bumili ka ng
Oh, mainit. Pwede ko na gawin ito sa bahay.
Naubos ko na agad yung protein. Pad Thai na next.
Okay, so in this bowl you have a piece of tofu and a shallot. Okay, so your tofu.
You're worried about that.
Tapos ayan, kalahati.
So these are our seasoning, our ingredients for making pad thai sauce. The first one, oyster sauce. Okay. So. And then. What's that one thing?
Baba, ready na tong ganyan. Tunog na yun. Oo, siguro. Ha?
It's ready for the egg, ready for the egg. Yeah, ready for the egg.
Hindi ka nung babay na. Ito pwede mo sa iurong mo. Steady lang.
Naluto namin. Ito yung sa akin. Thank you, Baba. Parang nasunog yung ano ko. Sunog yung sibuyas. Not sure. Ayan, tikman natin. Spicy. Bad.
Yan.
那如果手拿就反正，
Mm.
佢當場啲係佢炒得好啲啊，炒得好實啊，佢炒得靚啲。
Ano pa bang ano pa bang next dito?
Curry.
Sa'yo ba to?
Curry.
I like that very.
I'm not sure about that. Yeah, it's just break it. Okay, coconut milk. Coconut milk. So, just
À, đỏ mài.
Okay.
Chả cái tại những sáng.
Sa bukal sa iba.
Chả cái tại những sáng. Ý là chào chó này. Thằng tán. Nó sẽ đánh đạp chắc là. Bây giờ chào anh tao cả là.
Kịp tàu pha rồi lò mày.
Only 平時食嗰啲都係咁。
Everyone, nakabalik na kami galing cooking class and super worth it yun talaga as in. Kaya must try yun. So ngayon, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo like mga quick haul ng mga binili namin sa Big C tsaka sa kung saan saan. Ayan, papakita sa inyo. So first, itong luggage kasi kailangan din talaga namin ng hand carry luggage. Ayan. Press kami ni Baba magkaiba ng color. Yan, kasi wala kaming hand carry luggage. So, bumili na rin. And, ayan, yung mga pinabili namin. First, ito. Bili namin sa Maya Mall. Tote bag na Gentlewoman. So cute. Diba? Ang cute niya. Kailangan lang siya ng organizer sa loob para mas secured yung gamit mo. Tapos ito, pinabili ni Mama Cynthia, maliit na slim bag. Tapos, ito, favorite namin to. Kasi bumili akong ganito sa Bangkok. And nagustuhan talaga namin tong coconut crispy roll. Ito siya. Ayan. Sobrang sarap nito, as in. Sarap talaga yan. Tapos, iba't ibang klaseng lace. Ito, hot chili squid. Tapos, ito naman, ano ba to? Parang spicy barbecue something. Tapos ito, Mienkam crab roast. Tapos, ito, grilled prawn and seafood sauce na lace. Mix na siya. Then, this one, bilang ko na si Baba nito last time. So, try daw ulit niya. Pero sobrang anghang daw nito. Mahilig pa siya sa maanghang. Tapos, ito, salted egg. Try lang din. Then, ito, try lang din. Spicy noodles. Yan, same lang to. Then, ito, medyo mild ata to. Para matatry ko rin. So, bumili rin ako ng sweet chili sauce. Then, si Baba, ground chili. Yan. Then, ito, try lang din namin to, chocolate, something. Tapos ito yung white milk naman niya. Tapos, ito, syempre must have to pag pupunta kayo ng Thailand. Ayan, mga tita. Tapos, ito rin. Inhaler din to. Tapos yung loob pala nito, para may makikita kayo mga herbs and something talaga dun sa loob. Tapos, itong Vaseline. Kasi wala na rin kami lotion sa bahay. So, sakto to. Then, mura lang to doon. Parang 289 baht. Dalawa na. Ang alam ko kasi parang 400 isang piraso na ito sa atin. Kaya, ayan. 289, 1 plus 1 na siya. Then, ito yung favorite talaga namin is Blue Elephant na Pad Thai. Kung pupunta kayo ng Thailand, tapos dadan kayo ng Big C, try nyo taga bumili nito. Parang instant Pad Thai na siya. Tapos ayan, dito na yung mga ingredients niyan. So, magdadagdag na lang kayo ng protein nyo. Like, shrimp or chicken or veggies lang kayo. Bahala kayo. So, yan. So, ang sarap nito. Kasi nung last time, isa lang nabili ko. Kasi nga hindi ko pa naman sure kung masarap talaga. So, nagustuhan namin pareho. Kaya, ayan. Tapos ito, red curry. Try lang din to. Kasi yung last time, tom yum yung binili ko. Pero, di namin ganun kabit. So, try namin itong red curry kasi favorite to ni Baba. Then, sa cooking school kanina, may pinakita sa amin ng mga ganito. So, ayan, bumili rin kami. 30 baht each lang to. Ito yung sa khao soy. Kasi nga, ang sarap ng khao soy, diba? Then, yung green curry paste, ayan. Para sa mga hindi mahilig sa maanghang. Then, red curry paste. Ayun lang. Yun na yung mga pinagbibili namin. So, yan. Bale, itong mga to, sa, ano yan, sa Big C. Ayan, ito sa Big C. Ito sa market, hindi dinaanan namin before mag-cooking class. Tapos ito sa Maya Mall. Yan. Yun lang yun. So, hi everyone. Pauwi na kami ng Pilipinas. So, ayun. Kung mag-Chiang Mai Airport kayo pabalik ng Manila, agahan nyo kasi ang haba ng pila sa check-in counter. Tapos ang haba ng pila, lalo na sa immigration. Pati yung x-ray, no? Ayun. Tapos yung Bolt car na nabook namin is only, magkano yan? 79 baht?
65 lang ata.
Mga ganun. 65 baht lang. So, mostly mga 110 pesos lang siya. Ayun. So, yun na. End ng vlog. Bye! See you on our next travel. And make sure lang panoorin yung iba pa naming episode. Mga nakaraan. So, ayun. Thank you! Bye ka na.
Bye, thank you.